Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Charu Knitting. Today I will show you a beautiful crochet pattern. Do you have any interest in crochet? Then subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon and give a like. Your one like motivate me to make more contents like this. Here I am using 4.5 mm crochet and two colors of wool, blue and cream. First make a knot, then take chains, multiply of 6. I make here 30 chains, and after making 30 chains make 2 more chains and skip the third chain. Onto the fourth chain make 1 half double crochet. In every chain of this row, first row, make 1 half double crochet and there will be 30 half double crochet. Start the second row with 2 chains and skip that chain where you make 2 chains. Into the next every chain make 1 half double crochet and there will be 30 half double crochet, same as the first row. Start the third row as before, make 2 chains and skip that chain, and into the next 4 chain make 1 half double crochet, and on the 6th chain add the second color, the cream color. Join the cream color on the 6th chain from the second row. Including the 2 chains, there will be 5 half double crochet, and after making 5 half double crochet on the 6th chain from the second row, you add the second color. Must remember, you need to add the second color from the row 2. After adding the second color, make 1 half double crochet into the same place with the same color of yarn. Then change the color using the blue color. Make 5 half double crochet into the next 5 chains, and on the 6th chain of this row add the second color from the row 2, same as the first one. I have started the work with 30 chains, so I can add the second color for the 5 times. After every 5 half double crochet, I add the second color. After adding the second color for the last time, you will find that there will left more 3 chains. There will be not 5 chains, there will have 3 chains, and on the 3 last chains make 3 half double crochet and finish the row 3. After finishing the third row, you start the fourth row, same as the first row you start and finish. There will be 30 half double crochet of the blue color. After completing fourth row, start the fifth row, same as the third row, but here make 3 half double crochet first, then on the 4th chain add the second color as before I show you on the third row, and then change the color blue and make 5 half double crochet, and then on the 6th chain add the second color, same as before. Then next 5 chain using the color blue, make 5 half double crochet, and on the 6th chain add the second color. Same process on the last, adding the second color. Then in this row you will find 5 chains left. Using the blue color, make 5 half double crochet and finish the row 5. This is the pattern you have to follow. We don't add second color on the rows 2, 4, 6, 8. That's mean we don't add the second color on even rows, but we add the second color on the rows like 3rd row, 5th row, 7th row, 9 rows. That means we add second color on the rows which are uneven numbers. On the 3rd row, after making 5 half double crochet, I add the new color, second color. And on the 5th row, after making 3 half double crochet, on the 4th chain I add the second color. This is the process. 7th chain, you need to add the second color after making 5 half double crochet, and on the 9th row you need to make 3 half double crochet, and then on the 4th chain add the second color. This is the way to complete the whole process. Using this pattern, you can make stoles, mufflers, sweaters, and also baby blankets, hairbands, earbuds, masks, and also you can make purse, handbags. It is very easy to beginners if you try. I am also a learner of crochet, so give me suggestions to make it better. And if you like my videos, please share and comment and like. Your share, like and comment is inspiring for me. Stay with me till the end. Don't miss my next videos. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will be notified of my next videos. Want more contents like this? Stay beside me. I will come with new ideas and patterns in my next videos. Thank you for watching my videos. Look the pattern, it is so beautiful. This is the back side. This is the front side. See you friends in my next videos. Stay healthy and joyful. Goodbye everyone.